I will show you how to prepare sodium mirror. The sodium mirror is mostly used for the storage of organic solvents which have been dried and excess water had been removed from them. We will only need a little bit of metal sodium, which I can cut using only a knife. The sodium metal is stored under some oils so that it doesn't react, but even still there is some excess oxidized compounds of the sodium on top, which have to be cleaned before using the sodium. The waste I will put into isopropanol so that it doesn't burn my eyes out. And when the metal has been cleaned properly, we will only need a small cube of the sodium, because we don't need such a large mirror. I think this should be about enough. I will put it in this beaker and this excess sodium back to the storage bottle. Now let's move to our Schlenk flask where the sodium mirror will be prepared. I've already prepared it beforehand. There is argon atmosphere in it, and I will put this piece of sodium inside, and subsequently the flask will be evacuated. Now the interesting part will happen when I will use a torch to heat this sodium metal, and hopefully it should rise through the flask upwards after a while of heating. It might take a while. Oh, and here we can see already a nice mirror. Now, if this was a mirror that I would like to use, I would now let it cool down, put the argon back, which I can do already, and then pour the dried solvent in it. But because this is just a test, I will use now ethanol to destroy the mirror. It might hopefully be oatmeal. So I will use water instead. It could be an interesting reaction, hopefully. You can see the bubbles that are forming is hydrogen. Hydrogen gas. And the reaction is now over, and you can see that nothing is left from the sodium mirror that we prepared before. So thank you for your attention.